Now what is going on, guys? I'm here in the woods, middle of the branches and leaves, testing my dual motor 1/18 scale TRX4m Bronco. And I was thinking that why not I can make one video same time when I'm driving it. I will quickly show you how this setup looks like. So let's take the cover off first. And this is how it looks like. Basically it's 3D printed gearbox where I attach two Traxxas motors, and this is my design. It's available on Cults 3D portal where you can buy it for €3 I think and print it yourself. This is very straightforward. You put all old stuff what comes with the old gearbox inside this new stuff, and then you buy another motor and that's it. Of course you solder the motors in parallel. So this is how it looks like. Very simple design. Gives you a little bit power and your motors runs slightly cooler. I think we try to make our way up this little hill and let's see how this goes. So there is a lot of branches and leaves with stocks. Of course our Bronco, no worries, we have power enough. So this setup has trail gears. I've also played with the speed gearing. It's okay even in the forest, but you lose a little bit control when using that. Where my camera is showing. So I prefer these trail gears more. Okay, big tree. We have speed and we have power. That wasn't my plan, but okay. With single hand this is extremely difficult. I'm already in trouble. Or am I? Will it go? No, it won't go. A little bit speed and we are over. Okay, now we head here. This doesn't look as bad at all. Otherwise this is very stock. Well, I have only changed the tires. They are 62mm Injora tires with metal pedallock wheels. But other than that and the gearbox motor system, this is very stock. It goes very nicely. I don't know if you can catch up how deep is this. Well, it's not very deep, but or no deep. I mean the. Sorry, I forgot the English word. Steep. I was. Okay. Let's continue. Should we try go up there? Now we are very steep angle. Okay. Let's try once. I think we can make. Are you kidding me? That's right. In one hand. Not bad, and not roll over. This has nice torque, this dual motor. You don't really need to squeeze the trigger and it goes like the crawl gears. So very good indeed. This is the very old potato sap shed. I don't know how old this is, but yes, here we are. I think it went very well. Let's go over here if we can. No. Let's find a route from here. Very nice. Then we come down from here. There is barbed wire. Barbed wire still, and yes. Have to watch where I'm stepping. So last obstacle here, and I think the mission is accomplished. One more climb and then we are done. Just one more climb, because now we are here. Very good, very good.